Namaste and welcome to CADEC Learning Series. In this video, we'll see the inbuilt 3D CAD and drafting functionality in CADEC. CADEC is used for design automation of machines and equipments, and many customers ask for inbuilt CAD for complete control of inquiry to design release process. So in this video, we'll see how to create few parts from scratch using Sketcher and Extrude Revolve. Then we'll also see how to make assembly from parts. Then we'll see how to use templates of parts and assemblies to create similar but different parts or assemblies on the fly by just changing some parameters. Then we'll see how to make part drawings and assembly drawings automatically. I'll start CADEC Mithi. So CADEC Mithi is the Bhumiti or geometry engine of CADEC. It has got functions like part assembly, sketcher, drawing, metadata, BOM, etc. It can import step geometry, export to step. It can save stream, that is instruction set of a model or generate a model from stream. Drawings can be saved in DXF. So first I'll create a new part. So file, I'll create a new part. I'll choose a sketch. So I'll choose the front plane. So now I'm going to create a few parts and the assembly of a conveyor. So there will be some channels, there will be some shafts, and we'll create basically by some very basic features like extrude, revolve, etc. So my channel sketch I'll be creating first. So here we have in Sketcher we have functions like line, circle, arc, rectangle, etc. So I'll choose full line and I'll create a line. I'll specify the dimension of the line. So I want a channel of 100 by 50. So this will be 0, 50 to 0 minus 50. I'll have another line which is 0, 50 to 50, 50. Another line from 0 minus 50 to 50 minus 50. Then I'll have a line from create these two lines. So 50, 50 to 50, 45. This is a uh, channel with thickness 5 mm. Then 50 minus 50 to 50 minus 45. Then I'll create a line which is 50, 45 to 545. Then I'll create a line 50 minus 45 to 5 minus 45. Then I'll create a line 545 to 5 minus 45. So we created our sketch. This is on front plane and at zero distance, and I'll close the sketch. So it has created the details of sketch entities, then sketch and feature. Uh, I want I'll choose the solid extrude, and the extent I'll give as minus 3000 because I want the channel to extrude uh, away from me, and I am on front plane, and the away from me is negative z axis, and I'll choose create. So it will ask me to specify the part name. I'll go to desktop. I'll create a new folder. Let's say Kamiti trainings. I'll give the part as a maybe channel. So it has created my channel now. My channel is ready. I can find out what are the dimensions. Okay. So I want another feature which is a hole for the shaft to fit in. So I'll again go to Sketcher. This time I want it on the right plane, and I'll create a circle. Now the circle I want at 50 mm from the edge. So I'll specify the dimensions as 50 mm. Look, center is 50, and I want the radius of the circle to be uh, 10 mm because the 20 mm diameter shaft should pass uh, through that. I will update this, and I'll close this sketch, and this time I'll choose uh, extrude cut through, and the extent I'll give as uh, 5 mm, and it is plus 5 mm because it is along the x-axis, along the positive x-axis, and I will create. So it has now created a hole inside the channel. So now we want to create many holes here. So we'll do that by patterning it. So now I want to show you another functionality of creating a template of this part, because in CADEC we do design automation. So we don't want to do the same things again and again. So of course this part is saved. I'll save it as step, or I'll save it as 3D stream. So 3D stream is the instruction set of how this particular part can be created. So we created two features. One is extrude solid, one is extrude cut through. Then there were sketch 1 and sketch 2. Inside sketch 1 there were some lines. Inside sketch 2 there is a circle, and so on. So I will create a template of this. So I'll give the name of name as, let's say, horizontal channel, uh, maybe 150 3000. Okay, and I'll copy this, paste it here. So I'll give some specify some name, maybe horizontal channel, let's say. And I'll specify all these things are fine. I will only add some more holes here. So there is a sketch 2 which has only one hole. So I'll add many holes in this. So I will copy this many times here. let's say, okay, so this was minus 50. So I want this. The next roll will be at minus 100 and so on. So I want it till minus 2950. So I'll go on updating it till minus 2950. Okay, rest all remains the same. And this radius of 10 mm also remains the same. Okay, so we have created an updated template which is horizontal channel 153,000. I will save this and I'll close this particular part and I will open the 3D stream. So 3D stream I'll choose from our folder which is channel underscore CMSP. CMSP stands for the stream for the part. So it will show me the worksheets. I'll choose the second worksheet which we just created. So it has populated the data of various features, sketches, and entities. So this is what we call it as modeling strategy. CADEC MITI is a strategy-based CAD. So you can of course create a interactive model, but the main use of CADEC MITI is to create model from a strategy. So I have created a I had written the strategy in the Excel sheet, the template, and now it is populated here. So I'll create a part using this. So now you will see that it has now created a part with so many holes. Okay, up to the next end. Okay, so I will this part is of course saved. I can save it as a step file also in case this needs to be opened in some other software. We can also create a drawing from this. So suppose we want to create a drawing from this. So CADEC has created a drawing of this. So this is the front view, this is the side view, this is the top view, and so on. So this drawing can be saved as DXF.